Good girl, Bella.
Birthday to you.
Chelsea, want to sing happy birthday to Matt? Say happy birthday, Matt. Hooray! 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 That's right. Happy birthday, Uncle Matt. We love you. Chelsea, want to say happy birthday, Uncle Matt?